keeping up with the motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students. Subject ICT. Topic adding background in HTML. Standard 8 by Kriti Jahan. We have learned the enhancing features such as inserting image, list, paragraph, font, text formatting, etc. Now let us set the background of the web page. A background can either be color or have an image. A background helps to make web page more appealing. We can also set the background to match the theme of the web page content. The background attribute is used within the body tag to define an image or color as the background. The syntax of adding background image is open tag, open body tag, background, that is your attribute, background equals to background image dot jpg, close. Now this jpg indicates that the background will have an image, while the syntax for adding color to the background is open body tag, bg color is an attribute with the value hash 8e885e0b. Now 885e0b is nothing but it is the combination of red, green and blue, and the format comes as RRGGBB. Now 88 means it is the strength of red color, 5e means it is the strength of green color, and 0b defines the strength of blue color. The color is formed with the combination of 0 to 9 and A to F. The color here defines in 6 digits. Okay students, now we are going to start with the first example. Here we are going to apply a background color first. So this is the basic code. We have learned this program, how to construct your HTML. We have learned in previous videos. So I am going to start directly to apply a background color. Now here you can see this is an open body tag. Now inside the body tag I am going to use an attribute called bg color. In this bg color I am going to apply a color here. Let it start with the hash. Hash means a reference. Hash defines as a reference 885e0b. Now this is nothing but a hexadecimal number. In hexadecimal number there are 6 characters. These 6 characters are nothing but they are in the form of RRGGBB. Now the first two means the red color combination. This means green color shade, and this means blue color shade. Now generally these combinations are made using the combinations are made with 0 to 9 and A to capital A to F. Now it's not necessary that there should be an alphabet. You can write here 5 6 09. Clear? You can use the combination of number between 0 to 9, or you can use the combination of numbers and the alphabets from A to F. As the computer after 9 do not understand 10, 11, 12, so to indicate this 10, 11, 12 till 15, we use A to F. Now this is the combination of a number and an alphabet. Now this is one set of colors which we are going to apply on the HTML web page. Now let us save our file. We'll save this file on the desktop. Then now just click over here and write down here background color .html and change this save as type to all files. The file is saved on the desktop. Now save it. Now let us execute this file. So the first thing, we have to search the icon of, let's see where is the icon here, background color. Can you see this color? This color is nothing but the background color, and this color comes from the combination of number between 0 to 9 and A to F. And these color combinations are made using 6 characters. Remember students, there should be 6 characters. Clear? Now let us understand to create a background with an image. So the first thing, I'm not going to write here. Let's remove the unnecessary things. Now the attribute here will change. I'm going to write here background equals, now double inverted commas. All the values should be written in double inverted commas. Now let us see from where we can find the image. So let's go on the desktop. There may be an image here. I'll just copy the part from here. Right click, properties. Now can you see this part? This is the part, this is the place where the file has been stored. Now let's change the name of the image. I am making it a small name. So let us see what format it is. It is JPG. So bg.jpg. Now let us save this file. Now let us execute this file. Can you see the background? So this is the background image of the file. Now Now it depends upon the user how the developer wants to create his or her web page using the different kind of attributes. If you want a color in the background, you can write here bg color. The attribute you can here use is bg color with no space, or background equals to. Now this is the entire location of your image. Clear? This location will define from where your web page is uploading the image on the web page. Now I hope students you have understood this much. So kindly practice these programs at your own at home, so that you can get a clear idea about inserting an image or applying a color to the background. Okay students, do try this program on your own.